study for hours, you attend classes, you copy notes carefully, you try to solve exercises. When exams are coming, you spend even more time reviewing your lessons. You truly want to do well in mathematics, but when the results arrive, the grade is not what you expected. You feel disappointed, confused, and frustrated. You start asking yourself questions like, what am I doing wrong? Or why are the other students succeeding while I'm struggling? After putting in so much effort and still not getting the result you want, it can feel like all your hard work has led to one painful result: fail. But here is the good news. Failing mathematics does not mean you are not intelligent. It does not mean mathematics is not for you. In many cases, it simply means that the way you are learning needs to change. The students who succeed in mathematics are not always the smartest. They are often the students who learn using the right techniques. In this video, I will share 7 simple and powerful tips that can help you improve your mathematical skills, build confidence, and achieve better results. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Stop saying I'm bad at math. The first thing you need to change is your mindset. Many students tell themselves, I'm bad at mathematics. The problem is that when you repeat this again and again, you begin to believe it. Instead, say, I can learn this with practice. Remember, nobody was born knowing mathematics. Every expert, teacher, and mathematician started as a beginner. Believe that improvement is possible. Tip number 2. Understand before you memorize. Many students try to memorize formulas without understanding them. This may help you for a short time, but eventually those formulas are forgotten. Instead of asking what is the formula, ask why does this formula work. When you understand the idea behind a concept, it becomes easier to remember and use correctly. Tip number 3. Practice every day. Mathematics is a skill, and like every skill, it improves with practice. You do not need to study for 5 hours every day. Even 20 to 30 minutes of focused practice can make a huge difference. Small daily practice is better than studying only for exams. Tip number 4. Learn from your mistake. When you get a question, do not simply look at the correct answer and move on. Take time to understand why you made the mistake. Was it because you rushed? Did you misunderstand the question? Did you forget a concept? Every mistake teaches you something valuable. The goal is not to avoid mistakes. The goal is to learn from them. Tip number 5. Follow a clear problem-solving process. When solving a problem, follow these 4 steps. First, understand the question. The second, make a plan. Third, solve the problem carefully. Fourth, check your answer. This simple process helps you avoid careless mistakes and improve your accuracy. Tip number 6. Teach what you learn. One of the best ways to know if you understand something is to explain. Teach a friend, teach a classmate, or even teach yourself out loud. If you can explain a concept using simple words, then you truly understand it. Teaching is one of the fastest ways to learn. Tip number 7. Never give up after one difficult problem. Many students see a difficult question and immediately think, I can't do this. Successful students think differently. They know that difficult problems are opportunities to grow. Sometimes, the answer does not come immediately. That is normal. Keep trying, keep thinking, keep learning. Persistence is one of the most important keys to success in mathematics. If you remember only one thing from this video, let it be this: failure in mathematics is not the end of your journey. It is often the beginning of improvement. Use these 7 steps. Believe in yourself, understand concepts, practice every day, learn from your mistake, follow a problem-solving process, teach what you learn, and never give up. Mathematics is not about being naturally gifted. It is about learning the right way, practicing consistently, and staying patient. Your next success in mathematics may be much closer than you think.